Does my home automatically go to my kids when I pass?
No.
No?
No, absolutely not. Such a common question, and people are always floored to learn the answer. The government wants its share. The government wants its piece of the pie. So if you don't take the proper steps to get your home titled out of your name as an individual into something else, a probate action must occur. So again, we're going back to you have to bring a litigation action before a court, and a judge ultimately will have to decide if that house can be sold, what the demise of the property is. So you can't just go ahead and put that house up for sale. You can't go ahead and rent it out. And while this whole thing is playing out in probate court, and by the way, it can be a lengthy process. I'm seeing 2 and 3 years now during this pandemic.
And of course, we're talking major attorney's fees just for going to probate court.
Major attorney's fees, but on top of that, you're paying the real estate taxes, you're paying the upkeep of the property, you're maintaining the insurance. It can be incredibly costly and can really waste down your estate.
So someone still has to pay the mortgage, and
Yes.
yet there's no ability whatsoever to rent out the property or to sell the property. So it's a huge expense.
Huge, yeah. It really is. And so what you can do to avoid that, you can do one of two things. If it's your only property, and I don't always, this is a Band-Aid solution, okay? A transfer on death deed, which would allow you tax-free to establish who you want to inherit the property when you pass. You can get this transfer on death deed filed and recorded with your county registrar, and then when you pass, it will naturally avoid probate court. That's sort of the Band-Aid solution.
The real solution, though, the non-Band-Aid, would be
A trust to retitle all of your real estate. And this allows you, if you have more than one property, you can't do a transfer on death deed for every piece of property you own. It's sort of like hey, we're going to give you one freebie, it's your home, right? You can't do that to everything you own. So if you own more than one piece of property, most of my clients do, that's not going to be the right solution for them. They need to get into a revocable trust and retitle all of their real estate into that trust. So they no longer hold title, but the trust holds title. And then that avoids all of that real estate being forced through probate court.